Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Amazon, and I wanted to change out the chairs in my breakfast room, and I wanted to show you what I got. So if you're interested, come on, just keep watching. So y'all, this is the box from Amazon. Gonna open it in a minute, but I didn't post last week because I was so busy with cheer. We went to Ocean City. My daughter team won. I did not get any video footage of it. I promise I'll get the one for Dallas. We're going to Dallas in 2 weeks. I promise I'll get that. It's just so hectic. But right now we're gonna go ahead and open this box from Amazon to see what we got. It's been sitting on my floor for like, I don't know, a whole week. So let's just open. The sun is finally, I don't know, it looks kind of dark. But sometimes, you know, when I look at the footage on the camera, it looks dark. But when I go ahead and start, you know, when I download it, it looks good. So we're gonna keep going. So I did get some sheer curtains, and this one is in like a beige color. And if you notice that my curtains in my breakfast room is white, and all my cabinets are white, and I just want to get a little bit of color in here, still neutral, but something not white. So we're gonna try these, and they are a beige color, they are the same curtains that I get from Amazon. They're 108 in length, and I like that it flows on the floor. I like it to flow because it's an informal room, and I like that look. So I'm gonna put these up to see how they look. I already have 2 of them, so I went ahead and ordered. I ordered 3 more, and yeah, we're gonna put these up, see how they look. Another thing that I ordered from Amazon, let me see what this is. Oh, you know what, this is the dusting thing, because I need to dust my pendants without standing on the countertop. So I got this, I could stand on the countertop, but I got this. Let's see what it looks like. So it's a duster, and it's supposed to be expand out. Yeah, it looks good. Expand out so that you can dust in high places. And this one on Amazon, it has some high ratings, so I just went with this one. Let's see how it works out. So you simply just screw this in here. Let me see. This is real fluffy, and it extends out. So let's try it on the light fixtures, the pendants, and see how they work. So guess what? It is working perfect. Let's go do the rest of them. So y'all, this is absolutely perfect. Now, like I said, when I bought these pendant lights, I wanted something that was aesthetically pleasing, something that I liked, of course. But also, when I buy stuff, I also think about how easy would this be to clean, or how difficult will that be to clean. And I wanted something that was really easy to clean and that I like how it looks. So these lights, all I gotta do is dust them, and I'm done. I didn't want any glass because I didn't want to have to worry about, because it's in the kitchen and it's gonna get soiled, and it's gonna get where you have to clean the glass, and I didn't want to do that. So these are absolutely perfect. And if you're interested in them, I did link them in my like to know, so you can look at my like to know. And I have it linked in there. But the duster is so perfect. I have to dust on top of my bookshelf, and I really bought it for that as well, so I can stand on top of the ledge and dust the bookshelf. So a must have. It gets an A+. The last thing that I ordered from Amazon, and I forgot all about this. Well, these little makeup thingies, thingamajigs, these little makeup things. And I've got a little jar of it. And that's about it. But remember I told y'all that I wanted to start doing my own nails. Well, I finally got the nails in. I didn't do my nails as yet because, like I said, I was so busy the week of cheer, this competition. And I'm going to be so busy next month too because we have 2 cheer comps that we have to travel for. But let me show you the nails. So this is the brand right here. Okay. And I ordered 2 sets of nails. Y'all, this came all the way from China. When I realized it was coming from China, I was like, oh my God. But it came quick. It came quick. So I bought the, let me get it clear so you can see. I bought the French tips. And this one is, I think it'll be brown curl friendly because it's like, you know, instead of the pink, I got the brown with the French tips. I think I'll like that. And then I also got the peachy looking ones. It's still a French, but it's, if you can see, it's like a peachy color and it's not totally white on the tip. So those are the 2 that I got. And it came with the gel, I guess the gel polish. So, and it came with a little UV light. So speaking about the UV light, so I have a girlfriend that does nails and she was saying that the UV light is not good when you like maybe once a month or whatever. So she told me about the LED lights if I want to use that. So I'm going to try these nails. I'm going to use the UV light and I'm going to see how they look. I'm going to do it for next year comp, which is coming up in the first week of March, the first weekend. I'm going to try them. I'm going to try them before that. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and change out the white in the family room. And y'all can let me know if you prefer the white or if you prefer the beige. We're going to do that now.
Yeah. What am I supposed to say?
Just say hi.
Oh, hi.
I know it has gotten quite dark. It's almost 6 o'clock, but I wanted to show you how the beige curtains look versus the white. And I'll show you again in natural sunlight, like I said, but I'm loving the beige instead. Look at that. Instant warmth to the morning room instead of just the white. If you see what I'm talking about, I really love it. So that's how it looks. And y'all, that's it for today. This is a quick video, but just wanted to hop on here, show you what I got from Amazon, show you the update to the morning room, and that's it. I'll be back. I know I promised to show y'all the basement. I just haven't gotten down there yet, but I definitely will. So next video, hopefully I'll have that. Peace. Love y'all.